Guangxi Forestry Industry Group, a leading manufacturer of engineered wood products in China. With more than 10 forest farms and 5 specialized factories, we deliver excellence in MDF, Particleboard, and commercial plywood to the world. Gaolin, our brand, has set the standard in China's engineered wood industry. Gaolin has 3 world-class MDF lines. We partner with global leaders like Diefenbacher, Simpelkamp, Pullman, Amias, and Rott. The annual production capacity reaches 500,000 cubic meters. Our Particleboard line, supported by 10 million acres of forest, produces 350,000 cubic meters annually. Advanced air felt surface forming and a squirrel cage core spreader create smooth gradients and uniform layers, delivering outstanding density and thickness stability for reliable chipboard performance. For plywood, we integrate auto-sorting dryers, continuous splicing lines, precision glue application, and 80 opening hot press. Finished with fine sanding, every panel achieves exceptional stability, ready for custom furniture, architectural finishes, and engineering projects. Built on stability, sustainability, and strict certification, Gaolin panels meet and exceed global market standards, where quality meets innovation and forests find new form.